Hey YouTube, just a real quick video on what I've discovered with the Pat's Quick Attach and my other 3-point implements. The top hitch is not the stock top hitch for the Kubota L2501 is not long enough for attachments after I put on the Pat's Quick Attach, and let me show you the difference. Okay, as you can see, on the bottom is the stock Kubota L2501 top link, and it's extended to its maximum. It can't go any further. It's about 29.5, 30 inches at its maximum. And I got off the internet the top link you see above it. It's more gold colored. It's brand new. It's from, let's let it focus. It's from Atlantic Quality Parts, Farm and Construction Equipment. So that's the top link 3013-1503, made in India. So I got that off of eBay, or I'm sorry, off of Amazon for $33, I think. This one. And the great thing about this is that it's an extra long one. It's already at its minimum extension. When there's, I mean, it's totally screwed in on both sides. So it's the minimum length is actually the maximum of the stock top link. So that's going to give me a lot more options. You know, if I have to go shorter than this one, I'll just switch over and use this one. But I think that I can get away with this one for every application that I've got currently. So just wanted to show you that, and I'm going to put it on the tractor now. Okay, quickly was able to put it on there, and you can see that it's extra long, and it's going to be extra useful for me because my carry-all back here, I wasn't even able to attach it because the stock top link wasn't long enough, and now I'll be good to go. So I can finish off my carry-all video finally. Okay, thanks for watching.